Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can create this cool looking text mascot video effect in a few steps. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. Alright, open your browser and head over to this website. You can also check out their other cool looking paper animations as well. But today we are gonna look into the text mascot effect. Click on Launch App. Click on this icon. Now type in your text. Let's sign into the website. Click on this button. We are using a free plan, which is why it is showing the server is busy handling many requests, but keep trying and eventually it will work. Once it's done, you'll get this cool video effect. To download it, click on this export button. Let's use our credit and download it without a watermark. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.